Today's workshop was quite fun. I didn't expect it to be the best workshop because I thought, oh, writing a script, oh, it's going to be so boring. But, you know, it was really explained in a really fun way, and I think I got a lot out of it. Well, we took it in steps, so it was like thinking of the ambitions of the character, thinking about their flaws and faults, and also thinking about kind of them getting to the thing they wanted the most at the very end. That really helps you piece it together rather than just going, you know, all in and being all jumbled up what you want to find. I think it would be useful when you're planning a piece to do with your friends, an activity which you do for your GCSEs. And it'd be good to know how to write a script, because otherwise, you know, what are you going to do? You can't just improvise the whole thing, you've got to have an idea of what you want to do.
Hello, my name's Al Smith. I'm a playwright and screenwriter. I started my career on Eastenders and was working there for a few years, and now I write lots for Radio 4 and for various theatres up and down the land. Today my ambition was just to try and explain a little bit about structure to the students, so that they might have some tools they can use if ever they wish to write a play. So my ambition was to try and convince them that there was no difference between plot and character. And the way to do that was to break characters down into their ambitions and hopes and dreams and flaws and needs. So we asked these students to write lists of those things and then compare their notes on characters, and then build characters from those ideas that they generated, so that we might find a way to structure a story that they could tell themselves confidently. It's fun. I find working with young people always unexpected, because the ideas they come up with are always pretty out there and big. I think they did a great job today. I feel that they were quiet to begin with, probably because they didn't know what they were getting themselves into, but I found they opened up, and I hope they will have gone away with a sense of how to tell stories for themselves.